Good afternoon, students. Today we will start the next experiment of pharmacology and toxicology subject. The title is Introduction to Computer and its Parts. Aim to gain the knowledge about the computer and parts. Computer is an electronic device that store, retrieves and process data and can be programmed with instruction. Computer is composed of hardware and software and can exist in a variety of sizes and configuration. The term hardware refers to physical component of computer such as a mouse, keyboard, monitor, etc. The software is the instruction that makes the computer work. Software is held either on computer hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD or in a floppy disk and is loaded from the disk into the computer's RAM as when required. Parts of computer hardware. Hardware consists of following parts: central processing unit or microprocessor. This is the part of computer which processes instruction. It performs calculation, manage the flow of data and execute program instruction. CPU receives the program from an input sources such as a keyboard, from memory or from storage disk. Second part is memory. There are two types of memory. First one is read-only memory, ROM. It is built into system and can be read but not erased when the computer is switched off. The main function of ROM is to hold permanent operating instruction for computer. Second is random access memory, RAM. It is also used to store the data in a computer for processing. The contents are written, read and changed by microprocessor when it is operating under the control of program instruction stored in a ROM. RAM is volatile and erased when computer is switched off. Third part is storage. Hard drive or hard disk are installed within the internal operating system and is directly linked to the processing unit. Hard disks or floppies are attached to microprocessor so that external information can be transmitted into the system. Next part is workstation. These equipments used by computer operator to run the computer consist of keyboard. The computer keyboard is an input device used to enter characters and functions into the computer system. Pressing button for keys. It is a primary device used to enter text. Keypad typically consists of individual letters, numbers and special characters as well as keys for specific functions. Next part is mouse. A computer mouse is an input device that is used with computer. Movement of a mouse along with a flat surface can move the cursor to different items on the screen. Items can be moved or selected by the pressing the mouse buttons. Next part is printer. It is the device which prints the information based strictly on commands given it by the microprocessor. The three most common printer types are multifunction printers, MFP. Multifunction printers are also known as all-in-one printers. Second type is inkjet printers and third one is laser printers software. It includes the program and data. A program is a sequence of instruction which direct the computer to perform specification. Data collection of characters or numbers manipulated by program. Example of application include Office Suite, database program, web browsers, word processor, software development tools, image editors and communication platforms. There are broadly three types of software. First one is system software, second application software and third one is programming language software. Example of application software: Microsoft Suite for of product, Office Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, etc. Internet browsers like Firefox, Chrome and Safari. Next part is local area network, that is LAN. Local area network consists of series of computers linked together to form a network in a particular location. Computer line connect to each other with TCP/IP, Ethernet or Wi-Fi. LAN is normally used in an organization such as a school, office, association. Local area network is collection of devices connected together in a one physical location, building, office or home. To set up a LAN, you need to network switch for router, Ethernet cable plus extra one of the every device.